Good morning, everyone. My name is Zariel Faith Buliag from BE Ed 3D, and this is the continuation of Technologies Report. My part is all about Google Classroom. So, what is Google Classroom? It is a learning management system, LMS, that aims to simply creating, distribution, and grading assignment and engagement student in learning online remedy. So kailan naman gyud ta Google Classroom? So si Google Classroom is kuan gyud siya no, isa ka helpful nga application para sa teacher and sa students. Kay diri nato diri gahatag og mga activities si teacher sa atoa. Then dira pud ta mag-send sa mga activities nga katong gihatag ni teacher sa atoa nga nahuman na nato og answer. Then, streamline how they manage classes. The platform integrates with Google's other tools like Docs, Drive, Forms, Meet, and Calendar. So, there are many built-in shortcuts for classroom management tasks. So, si Google Classroom is integrated good siya with other Google tools. Example is like Docs, Drive, Form, Meet, and Calendar. So, mao ni siya ang ubang tools or apps nga integrated siya sa Google Classroom. Next is we have the digital organize, distribute, and collect assignment, boards, materials, and students' work. Teacher also can post an assignment to a multiple classes and reused assignment from year to year. So kani siya ang Google Classroom is diri nagahatag na mo naman to example kagaina nga nagahatag si teacher og assignment and quizzes diha niya ginasend. So kato siya nga mga assignment, quizzes or unsa pa to siya is pwede ra niya to ma-reuse sa another niya nga tudluan, another niya nga mga student nga tudluan. Then, give student timely feedback on their assignment and assessment. With Google Classroom, it's possible to use Google Forms to create and share quizzes that are automatically graded as a student turn them ID. So, Google Classroom, for example, ana is kana gani maghatag si teacher og exam dira nila i-send ang link. So, pag i-open nato no, direct naman gyud nga masend ang atong information or ID. The next is communicate with students about their classwork. You can use the platform to post announcements and reminders about assignments, and it easy to see who has or hasn't completed their work. So kani siya nga apps is once mag-send si teacher diri, so naa mo gyud due date o kanus ara to taman ang mga activities nga ilang gisend sa tua. So dira is ma-identify nila kung kinsa ra to mga student nga nakapasa, wala nakapasa or nakapasar ato nga mga activities. For example, magtatak man po sa atoa if due date na ta wala takapasa pa ana nga activity kay usahay malimta nato nga uy due date na di ay pero wala pa tanag buhat. So helpful pud kay siya sa mga student kay mag-inform pud siya sa atoa, maghatag siya information nga kanang kung tayo nalimta na to ang activity, makatatak sa atong cellphone nga wala pa dita nakabuhat ato nga activity. Then how can Google Classroom support differentiation in classroom? So first is it easy to customize assignment for individual students or group. So it easy to customize siya. The next, teacher can modify or differing assignment to specific student or group in a class. The next, you have also the option to check in with students privately to see whether they have the questions or need extra help. So dira is pwede si teacher sa tuang nga mutabang if nanginahanglan ta sa ilang tabang. Then what's new in Google Classroom? So Google continues to introduce new features regularly, often based on feedback from the teacher. Then, how can I make Google Classroom more engaging and interact for my student? So, make learning with digital content more dynamic for the students. Consider mixing up the type of resources you have shared with them in Google Classroom. So dapat is more dynamic ta para more dynamic for the student. Then magamit tag mixing up type of resources para mas kanang ma-attract or ma-engage ang atong student ato nga activities. That's all. Thank you.